Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today we'll be making this beautiful hairstyle using the beautiful hairband. Put the hairband on the hair and then fix it by making the plaits on the side as we are doing. Follow these steps on both the sides as shown in the video. After it is done, we will tie all the hairs at the back, roll it and then make a bun on the top. After that, we will fix the hairs from both the sides. Fix it by tying the ribbon and your beautiful hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs on the top like this. Then again, we will take few hairs from the sides and tie it on the back. Follow this step one by one till the end. After that, we will take the hairs from the back and tie it in the front and your beautiful hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie half of the hairs at the back, tie it and then rotate it using this hairstyling tool. After that, we will divide the hairs into two sections and make the plaits like this. Then fold it upward and fix it on the top and your beautiful hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the plaits on the sides like this. Then we will hold the plaits together and take another section of the hairs from the sides and make the plaits all together as shown in the video. Take small sections of the hairs from the sides one by one to make the plaits. This hairstyle can be done on the neck length, medium or long hairs. It will look very beautiful. After you are done with one side, we will follow the same step for the other side as well. Fix them on the back like this and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this. Then we will divide the hairs into two sections and start making the plaits. First, take small sections from both the sides one by one and fix them and make the plaits like this. After we are done with all the hairs, we will open the hairs from the downside and your beautiful hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it and you are enjoying this video. This hairstyle is best suited for neck length, medium and long hairs. It will look very beautiful. It is very easy to make. Next, we will tie the ponytail on the back. Then using this bun making tool, we will tie the hairs on the top like this, roll it and fix it to make a bun. Then put the clutch on the hairs and your beautiful bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs from both the sides like this. Divide your hairs in two sections and put it on the top. Make the plaits, roll it to make a bun on the side. Put a cute clutch and it's ready. Next, we will put the beautiful hairband on the hairs like this. Then fix the ribbons on the sides by making the plaits one by one. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Then we will fix the hair by taking all hairs together and make the plaits on the sides like this. Tie it from the end and your beautiful hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.